Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the taillight and showing you how to replace the bulbs from a Citroen C4 B7 hatchback. When you open the tailgate, on either side there will be little covers. This is the same for both sides. Remove the cover, and on the inside there will be one 10mm nut over there and a clip, as well as locators on the actual taillight. Now unscrew the 10mm nut, and then with one of your fingers pull the clip, the black piece over there, which you'll see shortly, and with your other finger push that the part where the nut goes onto just a bit, so you can pull out the taillight slightly, which makes it easier to remove. And with a plastic tool, get in between the taillight and the body of the vehicle. If you use a metal flathead screwdriver, you can crack the lens or damage the body, and then with a bit of patience it should slide out. Next, by pressing onto this part of the plug, pull off the plug for the taillight, and this is how you remove the taillight itself. To replace the bulbs, there's a bulb holder at the back of the taillight. You will need to unscrew the two torx screws, and then there are 4 tabs that lock the bracket in place. Gently pull the tabs. You do not want to pull on these too much, as they can break quite easily. While you're pulling on the tabs, there's 4 of these, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Pull the bracket or the bulb holder out, as you can see in the video. To replace the bulbs, whichever one you need to replace that doesn't work, push in and twist anti-clockwise, and then change the bulb. And to put it back, you push it in and then turn it clockwise. Refit the bracket. It should come on quite easily, and the tabs should lock in place, and then put back the torx screws and then refit the taillight. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.